In primetime news this evening, policeman claims victimization. Was it or was it not? Manchester police investigating attempted abduction, but the accused insists it was a joke. And returning residents lament challenges settling back to Jamaica.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, the central bank is set to reduce interest rates again. I'll tell you by how much. Plus, the West is set to benefit from initiatives in bamboo. Those and more in the business day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And that's what we're talking about just before it came on news. The big news in sports concerns Jago High. Well, I mean the reggae girls, but all right, Jermaine.
All right, thanks, Serge. I'll tell you how. Well, you know, the reggae boys, they took the spotlight a few days ago. It's now the turn for the reggae girls and the return of their talisman. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
It didn't say St. Jago.
Anyway, Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we are expecting some changes in the weather pattern across the area over the next few days. We do have a cold front that is in the Western Caribbean. We are expecting it to bring some cooler and windy conditions across the area, as well as some isolated showers, especially across sections of the north, beginning tomorrow.
Is he wearing a Jago tie? No.
No. It's there is much. I was going to say something I really should not have said. We need to wrap this up. We will get more of the weather report and forecast after later on. There's also sports commentary at ePrime, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what safety steps do you follow when using public transportation?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
Don't look like a Jago tire.